Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Adeline. In this video, I will show you how to crochet a poppy leaf. First, chain 23. Tighten the slip knot, and the slip knot does not count as a stitch. If you are a beginner, you can place a stitch marker in the first chain. After making 23 chains, fold the wire in half and place it along the yarn. Then chain 3 more. Now work a slip stitch in the third chain from the hook. Then make 9 single crochets, crocheting over both strings of wire as you go. After the 9 single crochets, chain 1 and 10 your work. Now we are working on row 3. Skip the first stitch and make 5 single crochets. After the 5 single crochets, slip stitch into the next stitch, chain 1 and 10 your work. Begin row 4. Skip the first stitch. In the next stitch, make 1 single crochet. In the following stitch, make 1 half double crochet. In the next stitch, make 1 half double crochet, then a picot made with 2 chains, then another half double crochet in the same stitch. That completes one group. Work the next stitch the same way. In the following stitch, make 1 half double crochet. Then make 1 single crochet at this place. Another single crochet in the next stitch. Then work 4 more single crochets. Tail your work. Row 4 is complete. Begin row 5. Skip 1 stitch. Make 1 single crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. Then chain 3. Make a slip stitch in the second chain from the hook and tail your work. Begin row 6. Make 1 half double crochet in each of these 2 stitches. Work 1 single crochet at this place. Then make 1 single crochet in the stitch while the Y joins. We return to the main seam and make 2 single crochets and tail your work. Begin row 7, skip 1 stitch, and work 6 single crochets across. After that, chain 2. Make a slip stitch in the second chain from the hook and tail your work. Begin row 8. Make 1 single crochet, then work 2 groups. In the next stitch, we work 1 half double crochet first and 2 chain picot, and then 1 half double crochet in the same stitch. Next stitch, work the same. In the remaining 3 stitches, make 1 half double crochet in each stitch. Then work 1 single crochet at this place, 1 single crochet at the join point, and 4 single crochets along the main stem. Then tail your work. Begin row 9, skip 1 stitch, then work 2 single crochets. Chain 4. Make a slip stitch in the second chain from the hook. Then 1 single crochet and tail work. Begin row 10. Make 2 half double crochets. Work 1 single crochet at this place. One single crochet at the join point and 2 single crochets along the main seam. Then tail your work. Begin row 11. Skip 1 stitch. Work 7 single crochets in the next stitches. Chain 2 and make 1 slip stitch in the second chain from the hook. Tail your work. Begin row 12. Make 1 single crochet first. In each of the next 3 stitches, work 1 group. A group consists of 1 half double crochet, a 2 chain picot, and 1 half double crochet, all in the same stitch. Then make 1 half double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. Work 1 single crochet at this place. And 1 single crochet at the join point, and 2 single crochets along the main seam. When you reach the end, join with a slip stitch to the first stitch on the opposite side. One half of the leaf is now completed. Chain 1, then work 21 single crochets across. After that, make a slip stitch to the next stitch. Chain 2 and turn your work. Begin row 14. Skip the first stitch. Make 1 single crochet and 1 half double crochet. In the next stitch, make 1 half double crochet, a chain 2 picot, and 1 double crochet. That completes one group. Work another group in the following stitch. In the next 2 stitches, make 1 half double crochet in each stitch, then work 5 single crochets across and turn your work. The remaining rows are worked the same way as rows 5 to 12. Simply repeat the same steps to complete the leaf.